Good morning, everyone. Kathleen here at my dad's house. He's got a beehive, and last week I tried to do some work on it, but his frames have been eaten by a bug. So this is the mission: get past the lettuce and the beets, get past the Egyptian walking onions to the beehive. I need to pry the lid off because of course I can't find my hive tool. And we're gonna put another super on. Yeah, and I don't know where the bee suits are. And it's too hot to be wearing a bee suit, so we're just gonna try and do this very calm, very quiet, and very quick. Okay, please wish me luck. Ah! All right, well, okay, so I think this box is missing a frame, and so they've filled the gap, and I can't really get anything apart to inspect, but I'm seeing honey, which really makes me think that we need to add another top. Thank you.
Crunch.
Try not to, right? I don't know what to do because there's all that, so it's not closing. I feel like I need to scrape it off so it'll close. And then I'm gonna have mad bees.
There's a spatula.
So we're about to make some bees mad. They've built comb on the lid. I can't get the lid back on, so.
Get rid of that comb on there.
Okay, what's beacon? They're flying around my head now. Okay.
Retreat.
Retreat. Retreat, retreat. Mission success. Oh, thanks, Paul, for your help.
Yep.
You taking the dog for a walk?
Yep.
Oh, there's tomatoes ready. I'm just gonna sit here and help myself.
All right. Oh, nom, 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 nom.
My favorite. Sunburst. Okay. Not only does my dad get to watch my kids for 2 hours, I'm gonna eat his tomatoes. Okay. Mission success. Time to go look at the apple tree. So we picked 19 pounds last week, and I cleaned up the ground. Let's see where we're at this week. They're dropping, but they're just still not quite perfectly ripe. Summer apples. All right. Oh yeah. Look at the size of that thing. Okay. How do you know when an apple is ripe? All right. We're there. The seeds are white. You want brown seeds to know that your apple is fully flavored, mature. Still a good apple.
Got that feeling in your arms and knees, the kind of feeling
One of my favorite things about picking fruit is seeing the load lift on the branches. The tree's like, oh, thank you for taking my babies.
But there are things you don't let people see. Open up and hammer down the wall. End all the fighting and just let it fall. My love is real and it's not just for the season. Here's what I feel, I don't need a better reason. You broke your heart.
All right, so this one's got a worm for sure because it's yellow and everything else is green. And you can see where they're getting in. It's soft. Oh yeah, no bueno.
Feel your heart. I'm gonna teach you how to leave the dark. Now you're starting to reveal the truth. Behind the gardeners was always you. My love is real and it's not just for the sea.
Not 5 minutes later, it's going real brown. These just summer apples, yeah, they come on. They're like the first fruits. You know, you're so grateful for an apple. You're so grateful for fruit after the winter, but not nearly the same quality as a fall apple. So to finish up the video, I just want to, talk a little bit more about these summer apples. I feel a little bit like I'm tapping into Depression era cooking or mindset by eating what is available. Not what we like, not what tastes good, but what is there and what will feed our bodies. So that is why I'm going through so much effort for these apples. So take care, guys. Grow something today, even if it's yourself. And please stay tuned to see what these turn into. I'm working on it right now. Lily, how do the apples taste dipped in Jell-O?
Good.